Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. We're seeing the market have a nice little rally here as the White House announces that they're going to start negotiations again with the stimulus talk next week with House Speaker Nancy Pelosi. So we're continuing to see the markets climb here. If you take a look at our Google trade, our Paycheck trade, that is looking great. Max gains at 1490 today. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll probably sell that by afternoon sometime. We're also seeing Apple. Apple's having a nice little rise here, holding above that 10-day simple moving average. The airlines are still up over 1% today and climbing. AMD had big news. They announced that they had a deal going on worth $30 billion. We'll see how that pans out there. GE's up another 6% here in pre-market hours, 5.5%, and still continuing to climb. Disney shares are up about 0.5%, not doing too much there. Gold is up over 2% here. GOLD. Let's take a look at GLD. GLD is getting a nice lift here as well. SLV silver should see that taking off. Silver, we're going to have some nice gains on our silver trade this morning. Let's take a look, see what else is going on. Macy's is still on the climb, up 1%. It's got that MACD cross. The histogram's looking good. We got a green bar on the histogram on the MACD. I'm expecting that to continue to climb. I'd like to see that at about 750 from now until November 20th Expo going into the holiday season. Let's see what else is going on. Overstock is still slowly climbing. Pinterest is up a little over 1%. And Snapchat is up about 0.4% here, 27.15 in pre-market hours. Tesla's up another 1%, still holding above that 1020 SMA. We might take a look at that today. Visa still climbing, 204 a share getting up to. We'll see if that takes off there. Zynga is still on the climb here as well. Zynga's holding that 10, looking like it wants to climb. Next resistance is going to be around 1050 a share. So let's see here. The news for this morning. Let me bring up our chart. So here is our newsletter we sent out this morning. Wayfair was upgraded from market perform to outperform. International Paper, IP, was upgraded by Wells Fargo from equal weight to overweight, changed the price target from 38 to 52. Rocket Mortgage was upgraded from neutral to overweight, price target 28.50. I think we'll see it more up towards that $30 by the end of the year. I like Rocket. We've been trading that, making good money on that. Teradyne, TER, upgraded from hold to buy. They upgraded, raised the price target as well from 85 to 115. Southwestern Energy, here comes those energy stocks we were talking about during those safe haven video that we did the other day. Downgrades AXB, American Express, from positive to neutral. Price target 110. Amgen from buy to hold. And NVIDIA, neutral to sell, $400 target. Wow. Goldman Sachs reinstates buy on General Electric, announces $10 price target. Zoom Video, buy rating target of 550. JP Morgan upgrades Rocket Company, 2850 target. Top news, as you can see here, Domino's. Morgan Stanley maintains overweight on Domino's pizzas, lowers the price target to $4.46 a share. IBM raises price target to $140. Gilead says remdesivir reduced mortality by 70% at day 29 in patients on low flow oxygen at baseline in post hoc analysis. Apple is extending some Apple TV Plus subscriptions set to expire in the coming 3 months through their billing date in February. T-Mobile shares are trading higher after announcing they will expand home internet to more than 450 cities. GameStop rose 4.7% to $13.77 in pre-market hours, surging 44% on Thursday when they announced a multi-year partnership with Microsoft. So we'll be looking at those today. Let's see what GME is doing now. GameStop, $13.15 here a share. That got all the way up to over $14.50 just about here in the pre-market hours. So looking good, guys. I'm really liking what I'm seeing here on the charts. Take a look at Diamond, SPY, and Qs. Here's Diamond 3-month daily, still continuing to break higher. We're going to look for that 290 or Dow 29,000 in the coming weeks. Qs, Tech, still continuing to climb, looking good. I want to see a breakout above, let's say a breakout above 286.50, and we should have another nice run there on Qs in technology. SPY, S&P 500. 350 is going to be the target. We had that 1020 cross. We broke out of that consolidation box we were talking about for the past few days. We broke out of that consolidation. Now we're running up to that next resistance area. And beautiful job what we've been doing analyzing SPY along the way here. So really nicely done. Looking forward to today. It's Day Trade Friday, and I will see you guys live shortly in about 20 minutes. Take care, everyone. Hope everyone has a great day. And please give a like to this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video on social media. I'd greatly appreciate that. Take care, guys. Have a great day and stay safe. God bless.